I can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars with your Amazon FBA online arbitrage business because I know that you keep buying products that tank because you are doing dumb mistakes that should be avoided and that can be avoided if you actually do your homework before buying inventory. And I'm not talking about keeper graphs. We are going to talk a little bit about that, but this is not the main thing, okay? And I'm going to tell you a small story as well of some subscribers that came to me with wholesale deal thinking that it was great deals, and actually, if they knew what I'm going to share with you in today's video, they would have known that there are bad deals and that even at wholesale price, what they think was a great wholesale price was actually not a great price and was going to lead to it was going to, this product was going to tank and they were going to lose their money, okay? So this is what we are going to do in today's video. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon, such as this one, so subscribe if you are new, okay? So the thing that you're going to need to do first is you have to have some knowledge of sales cycle. And how do you do this? How do you actually get knowledge of sales cycle? The thing that you need to do is build what I call a target list, okay? You need to map every single day something similar to this, right? You need to have a picture of everything that is on sale online, place where you can buy online arbitrageable products. And if you do this every day, you will start to have some sort of knowledge of sales cycle. Because if you don't know sales cycle, and I'm going to tell you why it's important, you're going to buy bad products, okay? Because you are going to think that you have a great price on a product while it is actually not. And I'm going to explain to you why in a few. But if you actually want my VAs to send you the target list that I use daily, there's a link in the description, okay? It's less than $1 a day. You have my VAs working for you 24/7 and sending you this list every single day and updating it whenever new sales come. Okay, so if you want to get this, as you can see for today, I have more than 100 deals. This is what my target list look like. You want to get it daily, less than $1 a day, link in the description. Okay, so as I said, knowledge of sales cycles is one of the most critical skill when it comes to online arbitrage, okay? You can think about sourcing, like sourcing methods, or all you want, all that bullshit, looking at advanced sourcing methods. It's cool to find products, okay? It's cool to look at keeper graphs because, yes, of course, there's a lot of red flags that you can see on Keepa that can actually tell you that the product is going to tank, because what Keepa is going to help you see is the supply and the demand that is on Amazon for a specific product, right? The supply, the demand, because those things are going to affect the price, okay, of an ASIN. Now, the thing is that you need to understand whenever a sales come. First of all, you need to understand, let's say you source Nike products a lot, right? And the main place where you source Nike products is on Nike.com, okay? Let's say, and of course, it's not true, but let's say that Nike has two types of promotions that come recurrently, okay? First, they have a 15% coupon that they send every month, and then every 3 months, you know that they actually send a 25% coupon, okay? If you actually buy products, if you buy the exact same product with the 15% coupon that somebody else is going to buy with the 25% coupon, they're going to get a better price than you. And because they are going to have a better price than you, they can afford to lower the price to compete with you, and you are not going to be able to compete. You will need to sell at a loss. And this is why it's important to know. And the story that I wanted to tell you guys this is actually what happened. This is exactly what happened. This is some guy that came to me on the Discord server, because yes, we have a Discord server and you can join. The link is in the description. Some guy came to me with some wholesale deal and was asking me if it was a good deal, right? And he asked me if I wanted to jump on it with him. And so by the way, if you have great deals, great wholesale deals that you want to share with me, if you need somebody else to jump on it with you, you can contact me on Discord. Just open a ticket on the Discord server. But it was products that I knew very well. It was some cosmetic products and it's a brand that I had been selling for a long time. Okay, this is a brand you've probably heard me talk about it, but I've been selling this brand for a long time. I'm still selling it. It's a cosmetic brand, and he had one of their flagship product at a price that was decent and that was profitable at that time. But I think he had the product for like $9 a piece, and whenever I actually buy this product from the not from the wholesaler website, but from the brand's website, when they are on sale, when a specific sale comes, because it's a sale, basically it's a product that comes in a in a gift set. And so when you buy it from the gift set, like I was able to get it at 4 something per unit. He had it at 9 something per unit. And I knew that this sale was about to come pretty soon because I know the sales cycle of that website. And so a beginner would actually buy this product at that price wholesale, thinking that it's a good deal because at that time it is profitable. But I know that they are never going to. If I jump on this product, first of all, I can buy quantity with it, and there's a lot of people buying quantity from this website, from these specific brands, okay? Because people actually know about that brand. It's a brand that sells super good on Amazon. It's super profitable, and it's a line of product that sells well. It's a line of product that whenever it's on sale, people jump on it. And so I know that the price is going to go down. Obviously, you know, it was like 50%, 50%. He had 50% return on investment on that specific product, doing wholesale, and people that are going to do online arbitrage. So there's going to be a ton of people that are going to jump on the listing, doing online arbitrage, and that have a price from there, a cost per unit that is 100% less, that not 100, but 50% less that what this guy was having wholesale. So this should tell you that one of the most critical skills when it comes to online arbitrage is knowing sales cycle. And not just online arbitrage, but same thing with wholesale. If you buy products that people buy a lot doing online arbitrage, if you cannot get a better pricing than them, they are going to eat you alive. And this is what is going to happen. And this is the reason why most of you have your products tanking, because you buy products at what you think is the cheapest price. It may be the cheapest price right now, but if it's the first time you sell the product, you may not know that actually this product, you can usually get it for way cheaper than that, and it comes on sale. If you know that this specific product comes on sale every 3 months, and that this sale is about to happen, and whenever this sale happens, a lot of people jump on the listing. And when people jump on the listing, they have a price that is 20-30% less than your price because they use this specific promotion. How can you, like, this is why your product tanks. Those people are actually getting the products way cheaper than you, and you do not know this because you have no idea. Maybe the price is inflated because not a lot of people are actually on the listing right now because the sale has happened like a long time ago, but the sale is going to come back. And if you do not know that stuff, there's nothing I can do for you. Actually, there's one thing I can do for you. Get the target list, less than $1 a day, instead of having your VAs actually listing. Because, by the way, it's something that you should be doing every single time you source. Every single day, I used to spend 1-2 hours a day to actually get some deals to source before I actually started sourcing, okay? Now I have my VAs. I have a team of 4 VAs, 5 actually right now, that are going 24/7 online, that are looking at email newsletter, so I can have every single sale that is going on right now on websites where you can buy online arbitrage products that you can resell on Amazon, everyday products. And that way I have a coverage of the whole internet. And right now I'm training my VAs to actually, you know, I have every single sale that is going to be mapped. I'm training my VAs. I'm going to train my VAs to source and to look at what products are actually available for every single promotion. So when every single promotion comes around, I know exactly what product to sell. But this should be the first step. And by the way, this is not yet every single sale that is going on online, but this is what we are striving, this is what we are trying to go through, okay? I want to have the best knowledge of everything that is going on online, because that way I can take the best decision when it comes to my online arbitrage business. I can buy the best product, I have the most information. Like, the more information you have, the better decision you can make. And this is the way I think about sourcing, and this is what is going to help you. You do not need to get on my target list. You can do it yourself and spend, if you want to do this, like, I don't think it's possible for you to do it by yourself every single day, because it's like a full-time job actually to do this. And so the more information you have, the better purchasing decision you will make, okay? First, you need to get something like this done, and it's going to be super hard. I mean, you do not have to do it if you focus on a few websites, by the way, but I'm trying to focus on a lot of websites and go wide and really set the infrastructure to actually scale my business. So this is why I do it this way. If you want to do it your way, you just do a few websites a day. You just monitor 5-10 websites, but you are not going to be able to be consistent with sourcing. The reason why I do it like this is because I'm going to be able to be consistent with sourcing. I have all the sales mapped, and I will be able to figure out for every single website in just one click how often a sale comes back, okay? And so yeah, if you want that list delivered to your email inbox every single day, it's going to start on, and there's more information if you click and if you go on the page. It's going to start on Monday, February 26th. And right now, if you join right now, it costs less than $1 a day. It's going to cost less than 1 hour a day to have a team of 5 VAs actually build that list for you every single day without fault. Instead of you having to stay 5 hours in front of your computer. This is the most critical part. And I cannot stress this enough. A lot of people, like people say when you start sourcing, when you start this business, you should go around and do storefront stalking, all that bullshit. It is not true. This is not true, and this is a hill I will die on. This is not true. You need to be hunting for sales because you need to understand that you are not going to sell products that you buy at full price. So you are going to be selling products that you buy at discounts. You need to manufacture your margins. This is the list of all the sales that you can use to manufacture your margins. This is the first thing that you should be doing. Start hunting for sales and then start sourcing those sales, whether it is manually, whether it is with tactical arbitrage, whether it is with tactical expander, whether it is with source mogul, I don't care. But go find sales and look at them and start to understand how often those sales come around. That's the point. This is exactly what helped me actually build a successful online arbitrage business. And then you can add storefront stalking into the mix because you will have some knowledge of where you can find certain products. But storefront stalking is not for beginners. This is what beginners should do. And no, it is not easy to implement. Okay, it is not easy to implement because it takes a lot of work. But if you want to be successful with this business, you need to put in a lot of work. Or you can delegate it to my team and we can send you tests every single day. Build your target list. And by the way, if you want to do it yourself, I have a free ebook that teaches you how to source as well in the description. So you can read the ebook and do it yourself. You'll get the gist of it by doing this. But this is something that requires a lot of work. And sales cycle are why your products tank. That's it. Okay, except if you are doing some dumb mistakes with Keepa, the main thing is this. The main thing is knowing sales cycle. And it starts by having a target list every single day and starting to get an idea of how often sales comes around. And it just, like, you will just be able to do this by having a target list, either by building it yourself or getting mine and reading through it every single day. That's it. All right, that's what's going to actually help you go further with your Amazon business and not have tanking products. That's it. Okay, watch this video if you want. I don't know what video I'll put in the screen on the screen. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Make sure to subscribe and like. And if you've watched until here, leave a praying hand emoji. Okay, this time I'll see you tomorrow.